Hi, good morning. Nick Kaiser with Mustache Approved Remodeling, back out here in Mesa, Arizona. We are at Helgi's and Joan's house. Let me show you. As you can see, it looks a lot different than it did the last time we were here. We took out the soffits. We got the drywall work done. You see we got the waterproofing, the tile prep for the shower completed. We got a new exhaust fan in, all our stuff and roughing for, this is our vent for a new washer and dryer. We got our washer and dryer box here, electrical, and a plug for the washer there. So coming along really nicely. We will have a nice heavy glass door that we put in here, so there'll be a panel on the left side and the door that hinges off this wall here. You can see we got a nice niche installed on that wing wall there next to the washer and dryer. The valve, and there's going to be a handheld here. We're going to run that off of a separate 3-function diverter, so you can run this shower head and then you can run this separately, or you can run them both at the same time. We did build a nice bench sheet here, and tomorrow, so today we're going to finish this. We will finish waterproofing this pan and let it set up, and then we will do a water pan test tomorrow. And you can see we added a can light above the shower as well. So we will be filling this tile in. The customer has extra tile for that area where the old shower was. So before there was, if you remember, there was a tub here. So now that's just going to become a nice large walk-in shower. We are taking the tile all the way to the ceiling, and we're doing a vertical straight lay, which means all the grout joints, there's no offset like a brick pattern. It'll just, all the grout joints will line up. And then over here we'll have a couple of, we added power for some LED mirrored light mirrors, and then we are putting in a new medicine cabinet, but it's really opened it up, getting rid of that soffit above the vanity and the old tub area. So that's just, there was quite a bit going on in there. Now, whenever we do take out these soffits, a lot of times they use those soffits to hide stuff in. So we had a water heater ducting running through here. We had a couple of vent pipes that popped out, and for the upstairs bathroom, and a few other things that were in there, condensation line that we had to get tucked back into the wall. So those are unforeseens and things that we just don't know until we get into it. So keep that in mind when you're moving forward, taking things out like soffits, especially when it gets into the air conditioning vent ducts and stuff like that. So one other thing we're going to do is we are going to take this door off and this closet. So there's 2 walk-in closets. We're going to take those off, pop these jambs off, and then we are going to patch the hinges and make it just a pass-through so that you can go right into the closet without a door. Makes it feel more open. We're going to paint the whole bathroom. So stick around. Look forward to showing you once we get into more of this finished work. The countertops were just measured earlier this morning, so can't wait to show you those countertops. We got some nice quartzite that the customer picked out, and can't wait to show you the tile. We got a nice marble-looking polished porcelain tile going on the walls, and a marble pan hex tile. So stick around. Can't wait to show you how this one shakes out, and look forward to it. And you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.